Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve mathematical equations and mathematical formulas using a great mathematical application called Photomath. You need to download this from Apple App Store. You can simply type it like Photomath and press the search button, and here you can see this amazing application. This application can solve all the derivatives and all the equation issues related to mathematics. And like here you can see that it can solve the quadratic equations, and in short it can be a helpful tool for all the students who are having issues in the mathematics. I have already installed this application on my mobile phone, Photomath, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to convert one of the equation using this. Okay, I have wrote an equation and I need to find just the value of y. I will simply press it and it will convert. And here I go. It have completely solved the equation and it have found the value of y to me. Again, we are going to try something a little more complex. Hmm. So thank you everyone.